go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen, looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything you have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, cause how you do anything is everything, it's on. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way, cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't ready. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the top, I promise. Cause I've had enough. Better watch out, I'm on the climb to the crown. Right now, hear me loud, I've been spitting for a while now. I'm by myself, independent DIY now. Don't need no help, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets, it's funny. I do all the work, yeah, keep it running. I fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak, I like to build things. Empires out of buildings, I wanna leave a legacy of helping others finally feel things. Of motivating and killing, depression, exhaustion, we need some healing. I work through the pain, I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the flames. Yeah, I do this every day, even when I feel drained. A true man pushes through, you don't hear complaints. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the top, I promise. Cause I've had enough. I was born to be a fighter, had these dreams and desires. I would be something better, energy, got a fire in my soul to keep burning. A pain that keep hurting, a curse is emerging. Feel the thirst, keep on working, I won't stop, I won't quit. To the top of this shit, I get lost in the work. Sweat dripping, not a bitch, I get mad, I get pissed. I get after this shit, hit the gas, feel the grip. Adrenaline, never miss, I'm not patient, but I've learned to embrace it. Cause I've been working, I've been waiting, never complacent. Cause I'm so close, I can taste it. Want it away from everything I've been chasing. I'm honest, and I promise that I got this. I'm launching, all I've wanted has been exhausted. I'll teach you how to harness, control the conscious. You got this, yeah you got this, you gotta want it. Life ain't fair, are you gonna win or will the place scared? I will not stop, I am prepared. To get to the top, yeah you must be rare. Gotta but I'm like, hey, I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, then it must be rare. You got one shot, life ain't dead. Are you gonna win, or is it just scared? I will not stop.
Es domāju, ka tev ļoti labi īstenībā sanāca, ņemot vērā to, ka vienmēr paliekot trešajiem ir visgrūtāk, jo ir jāizspēlē vairāk spēles finālā, plusā vēl iepriekšējās visas 6, un plusā vēl ir pāri 10 vakarā.
Jā, es neko šodien neesmu ēdis no 11, varbūt tas arī drusciņi ietekmē, bet, es esmu priecīgs, rezultāts mani pārsteidz. Pārējos turnīros es paliku vai nu 5. vai nu zemāk, bet nekad nesanāca tik tajā top 4. Un šodien man pirmo reizi tas izdevās, un es domāju, ka rādītājs ir ļoti labs. Otrā vieta, neko centīsimies un strādāsim tālāk, un ceru, ka drīz apspēlēšu Pēteri Cimdiņu un arī citus spēlētājus, bet tas ir tikai cerības.
Apsveicam panākumu un paldies, ka izklaidēji mūs. Apsveicam ar uzvaru vēlreiz. 6. reitings tavējais.
Jā, paldies visiem, kas atbalstīja un skatījās. Šodien vienkārši laikam bija mana diena. Kvalifikāciju izvilku kā pirmais un beidzot izdevās aizstāvēt pirmo vietu pēc kvalifikācijas. Izdevās arī uzvarēt, kas man jau 2 reizes nebija izdevies. Un tagad es esmu vienādā titulu skaitā ar Andi Dārziņu. Jā, fināla spēle bija interesanta, manā labā 249. Pats varbūt negaidīju tik augstu spēli, bet man šī eļļa patika, kā varēja spēlēt dziļāk un vienkārši laist un skatīties, kā bumba strādā. Tas bija pats interesantākais. Cepuru nos pretiniekiem, un man ir prieks, ka ieradās arī Vladislavs Fiļimonovs, kurš 16 gadus nebija spēlējis un tika jau top 4. Liels malacis.